हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। तो आज हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं ज्योग्राफी पार्ट नंबर 1 ऑफ प्लेलिस्ट, चैप्टर नंबर 1, अंडरस्टैंडिंग सोशल साइंस। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट इट। ह्यूमन became Human beings do not live in isolation from birth. We became part of families, neighborhood, schools, and communities. As we grow, we interact with people in villages, towns, cities, and nations. In our daily lives, we follow social rules and laws, share natural and human-made resources, celebrate festival, practices traditions, earn livelihood, and depend on one another for survival and progress. At the same time, our lives are closely connected with nature. We use land, water, forest, and other natural resources for food, shelter, transport, and development. To understand the complex relationship among individual, society, and the environment, we study social science. It helps us examine how people organize their lives, how society develop institutions such as families, markets, and government, and how humans adapt to change over time. Social science also explains how human actions can bring both positive progress and serious challenges such as inequality, environmental de- degradation, and conflicts. Social science helps us sense how societies are formed, how they function, and how they transform across different periods of history. It allows students to understand the reasons behind social practices, economic activities, social system, and environmental charges. By studying social science, learners gain the ability to think critically, ask meaningful questions, and analyze real life situations. More importantly, social science enables students to recognize their own roles as members of society. It encourages respect for diversity, awareness of rights and responsibilities, and concern for other well-being. Thought. This understanding students grow into a aware, thoughtful, and responsible citizen who can contribute positively to society and help in shaping a just, inclusive, and sustainable future. Meaning of social science. First topic. Social science is a systematic and organized study of human society and relationship that exists among individuals, groups, and institutions. It seeks to understand how people live together, how they interact with one another, and how their actions shape society over time. Rather than focusing on a single person, social science studies human life as a part of a wider social system. Human beings are social by nature from early times. People have lived in groups for safety, cooperation, and survival. For example, in the Indus Valley civilization, people lived in well planned cities such as Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. They followed common rules, built houses in organized row, used a drainage system, and shared resources like water. This shows that even in ancient times, humans organized their lives collectively. Social science helps us in understand why such systems developed and how they helped societies function efficiently. One important focus on social science is the study of human behavior and interactions. It examines how people cooperate, trade, grow, and resolve conflicts. For instance, during the Mauryan period in India, rulers like Ashoka promoted values such as non-violence, tolerance, and the welfare of people. These ideas influenced how people behaved toward one another and how the state interacted with its citizens. Social science help us understand how beliefs, values, and leadership shape social behavior. Social science also studies social institutions, which are organized systems that help society function smoothly. Institutions such as the family, school, government, and economy exist in every society through thought. Their forms may change over time in traditional Indian society. The joint family system played an important role in providing economic support, education, and care to family members. Similarly, institutions like village panchayat help resolve disputes the and manage local affairs studying by studying such institutions. The social science explain how societies maintain order and support their members. Another key area of social science is the study of the relationship between humans and the environment. Ancient civilization often developed near rivers because water was essential for farming and daily life. The Indus Valley civilization grew along the Indus River, while ancient Indian kingdoms flourished near rivers such as the Ganga and Yamuna. Even today, agriculture industries and settlement in India depend heavily on nature resources. Social science help us understand how exclusive use of resource can harm the environment and why sustainable practices are necessary. Social science also focus on change the continuity in the society over time. Will some traditions and values continue, may social practices change due to new ideas, technology, and movement. For example, in the past, access to education in India was limited to certain groups. Over time, social reform movement, and constitutional values helped expand education to all sections of society. By studying such change, social science helps learn understand present day social issues and their historical roots. Here is a diagram. Here is a diagram. So, unlike personal options or assumptions, social science is based on evidence, observations, and reasoning. Historians study inscriptions, movement, and manuscripts. Geographers use map and satellite images. Economic analyze data and trades, and political scientists examine laws and institutions. For example, Ashoka inscriptions provide evidence of his policy. Will census data helps us understand population change in modern India. Let us explore. Observe your neighbor and list the different institutions you see: school, market, hospital, bank, government office. Discuss how each contributes to society by using evidence. The critical thing, social science encourages learners to ask questions, compare viewpoint, and analyze real life situations. It helps a student understand not only what happen in society but also why it happens. In this way, social science prepare learners to become informed, thoughtful, and responsible member of society who can understand the past, respond wisely to the present, and contribute positively to the future. Amazing fact: social reformer movement in India helped the practices such as sati, child marriage, and untouchability, showing how ideas can transform society. So थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग गाइस, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए गुड बाय एवरीवन एंड बाय बाय।